Hi, welcome to IEHSAS Institute. Today we will walk you through the enrollment criteria at IEHSAS Institute.
This video will explain the prerequisite enrollment process and the roadmap for the qualification achievement and completion.
There are 8 steps to be followed while you are enrolling with IEHSAS. First step in this enrollment criteria is, first contact us. Our representative will warmly welcome you and guide you through the initial steps of enrollment criteria, where their basic information is thoroughly reviewed and their overall eligibility is assessed with complete precision, professionalism, and institutional standards. If you qualify, you will move forward to step 2 of the enrollment process. However, if you do not meet the required criteria, your case will be marked as not eligible and will not proceed. Second step in IEHSAS enrollment criteria is your basic information will be reviewed and you will be evaluated for our simple eligibility criteria to determine whether you need to attempt the English proficiency test or entry test. If you qualify, you will move forward to step 3 of the enrollment process. However, if you do not meet the required criteria, your case will be marked as not eligible and will not proceed further.
Step 3 in enrollment process. To successfully complete your admission process, all enrollment-related documents must be properly filled and submitted. This includes a valid CNIC card
Or driving license, passport,
recent passport size picture, updated CV, relevant experience letter, and your last degree or certificate. Each document plays an important role in verifying your identity and professional experience.
If you approved, you will move forward to step 4. However, if you do not approve, so first complete all documents.
Step 4 in IEHSAS enrollment criteria. You will submit your fee to officially secure your place at IEHSAS. This payment is not just a formality. It is the commitment that unlocks your next step, your entry into the IEHSAS learning journey. Only after the fee is paid will your admission move to the step 5. When you are not approved, you must clear the admission fee.
Step 5 is during the academic session, students are required to attend all scheduled classes and strictly follow every class-related protocol defined by the Institute. This includes participating in daily tests, completing regular assignments to strengthen practical understanding, actively engaging in group activities that enhance teamwork. In addition, topic-based discussions are conducted to encourage critical thinking and concept clarity, ensuring that each learner remains fully involved, disciplined, and academically prepared throughout the course. If you pass in class protocols, you will move forward to step 6. However, if you do not meet the required criteria, you can hold on for final exam. In step 6, seal each session with a rigorous mock exam. Push your limits, measure your mastery, and transform knowledge into unstoppable skill.
If you pass, you will be eligible to sit in final exam. However, if you do not meet the required criteria, you can hold on for final exam. Step 7.
Step 7, students are required to take extra classes as recommended by the Institute. These additional sessions are designed to improve weak areas that have been clearly identified and highlighted in the evaluation report. By focusing on these specific gaps, learners can strengthen their understanding and skills effectively. Students must carefully follow Step 5 and Step 6. If you pass, you will be eligible to sit in final exam. However, if you do not meet the required criteria, you will repeat Step 7. Step 8. Students are required to sit in the final exam according to the officially defined schedule. Upon completion of the final exam, students must patiently wait for the official result declaration, which will be announced strictly on the predefined dates and days communicated by the Institute. If you pass, you will collect the parchment. However, if you fall, you will resit exam. Repeat Step 7.
Thank you for watching the whole learning journey with IEHSAS. If you have any query, just contact with IEHSAS representatives at the given numbers.